I wrote a little something that I wanted to express. The ground accepts the tree and its roots. It gives room for its growth. The tree expands, appreciates, and knows. It gives of itself to the animals it sacrifice, benefits even the cannibals. The animals expend, appreciate, and know. They carry the tree within them everywhere they go. I've been doing some reading on Ralph Waldo Emerson and just what he expresses about our connection to the earth. Um, I mean, everything that is on earth is nature. Um, the trees, the animals, the fire. Therefore, we are nature. I'm trying to just understand that a little bit more. Um, when I have some more information, I will express it in a video or two, or 5 or 10. Might be that deep, might be a lot of information in that. But yeah, I mean, we're born and people say, oh, we're human, we are imperfect. Are we though? Are we imperfect? Are we also here on earth as the animals are, as the plants are? Aren't the plants perfect? Aren't the animals perfect? Why are we the imperfect ones? He expresses a lot how we are born and we don't need words to communicate our needs. We are fed, we are loved. And he says, why does that have to stop? That's part of our nature to be catered to, basically. And I connected a little bit to what this chick, what's her name? Florence Scovolchin. She says, every man is a link to my goods. So, yeah. I mean, when you affirm something, you say, this is what I'm gonna do, and I know that I'm gonna do it. Sometimes, we have the courage and we feel ourselves worthy enough to say, I'm gonna do this, and it's gonna happen, and it does happen no matter what. And the right people are put in on our paths to make it happen, no matter what. So, in a sense, we are still infants being catered to by the universe. And every man is at play. Every man is a link to our goods. Yeah? Food for thought.